Hello, I present Activity 5 for English Feeds. I am Mayra Alexandra Sáenz Vadillo, a student of a semester of Environment Engineer. I have 26 years. I live in the municipality of Tesalia Huila. It is a small town but very close the main part of my municipality is called Rafael Pucho Perdomo. It is a wine and beautiful place. It is a pleasant space because there are neon streets that provide a frank environment. Also, its structure is suitable for the nomination of events that can venture to family recreation. We are cordially invited to enjoy this wonderful park. Thank you